Meet the DEMI 430, automated and intelligent resin removal for clip, DLP, and SLA 3D print technologies. The world's only comprehensive software, hardware, and chemistry solution enabling transformative results for additive post-processing. Using software designed with programs built with data from lab testing and benchmarking, the DEMI offers one-touch press-and-play resin removal. The DEMI's precise temperature control with 1-degree increments eliminates thermal runaway for fast finishing without part warpage. Diagnostics and process monitoring react to key process parameters, reducing hands-on finishing time. The DEMI's proprietary SVC technology intelligently combines ultrasonics, heat, and fluid flow for unparalleled results. Designed with innovative vortex flow technology to ensure even distribution of mechanical energy, the system optimizes ultrasonic output by managing variable ultrasonic power throughout the cycle. Precision-controlled mechanical and chemical agitation accelerate the rate of removal with gentle action for fragile materials and fine feature details. Our patented detergents were created with additive in mind. Our PLM-403-sub is biocompatible and is a great option for those that use additive for dental and medical applications. Our chemistry can clean 6 times as many parts as IPA before reaching saturation, which means you have less downtime, lower risk of changing out chemistry, and reduced waste generation. Our detergents also offer lower vapor pressure and high flash points compared to IPA. The DEMI's filtration system also extends detergent life for increased throughput. Accelerate your additive operations with the DEMI 430, the world's only intelligent solution for automated 3D post-printing resin removal. Spend more time printing and less time post-printing with PostProcess.